We're going to celebrate that gold medal today.
Of course.
We're powered by Hennessy, and we're going to celebrate that gold medal that these boys have worked so hard for how many years ago?
I'm actually going to try to recreate liquid gold. I'm going to allow you to have some torpedo gold as well, Joe.
I appreciate it.
I think it's fair.
It's only fitting.
You know?
Yeah.
You put together a great show today. You have two amazing Richards. It doesn't really get better than this. I call it black and white because I use white and brown shell. Now, I don't think it's internationally known as black and white.
Yeah. You just need it. Black and white.
Of course I can. I'm Richard Atkins, the Mixologist. I can't do these things. This is probably the most expressive and distinctive spirit where cognacs are concerned. A copious amount. I'm going to finish this off with just a touch of some spice. You kind of want to get it all over the crease. Then you dust, and then it is complete. I have always wanted to mix drinks for you Olympians.
Oh. Smooth.
It should be. That is it.